Mama, why are you staring at me? Are you sensing any fetid smelling protruding out of me? Or did I take anything that belongs to you?
So, Madina, I am your mother. Please talk to me. I want you to talk to me. What is your problem? You know, I carried you in this, my womb, for 9 good months. Gave birth to you. Breastfed you. Clothed you. In fact, I watched you grow into this man that you are now. So, what are you trying to hide from me? Talk to me.
I never said you are not my mother. In a nutshell, summarize your speech.
No. You know your problem is also my problem. Talk to me. Tell me what your problem is. I may be of help. Huh?
Mama, since when did my problem become your body? Mama, I know you too well. You are looking for a way to laugh at me, to make mockery of me. Mama, I cannot allow you to make caricature of my predicament. Please, allow me to carry my cross.
Nah. Now tell me. Is it the relationship between you and Adeze? Eh?
If so, Mama, what about it?
Did she break up with you? Tell me. Talk to me, I'm your mother.
Well, she did not break up with me. But the way I'm saying things, she's losing interest in me. Yes. Mama, I love that girl so much. And I'm ready to sacrifice everything for her.
You are a fool! Samadina, you are a fool! A very big one, if you don't know. Didn't I warn you? I warned you several times. I warned you countless times, but you wouldn't listen. Now look at what is happening to you now. You are here complaining. She's about to break up with you. What you are saying? This is a Look at your mouth. I told you. Mama, I told you that the relationship is not going to work. Didn't I tell you?
Mama, I never wanted to tell you about my predicament because I know definitely you must use it against me.
Why would I use it against you?
I never wanted to tell you in the first place. Please allow me to carry my cross.
Why won't I mock you? Why won't I use it against you? Ocho, anumpam, efulefu, mwanzuzu. Keep on wasting your time, waiting for this. You useless at this. Again.
No, please. We have a system of kingship in this kingdom. A system that is hereditary. And it has been with us from time immemorial. What are we talking about?
Hello. Ichierika is right. It's very, very right. Our culture is our life, handed over to us by our ancestors, and can never be changed now. It will not be changed.
Madabuchi, now tell me, what has never been changed?
The culture.
Yes. Now listen. Has it ever been heard in the history of Ufma that a king died without an heir apparent to the throne?
And this same culture we talk about was instituted by our ancestors to suit them. Can't we amend this same constitution to suit us? We that are still amongst now living. Can't we?
Babe, Adam, please, mind your tongue. Oh no, I will not be a party to this conspiracy against the throne. Please, let us do what is good and upright for our sakes and for the sakes of our children, born and unborn, please.
Are you aware that the law was made for man and not man for the law? Is it not obvious that our Igwe had no male child? Eh? Oh no. I am of the opinion that this kingship shift to another family. Simple. We are not running a kingdom, but a kingdom.
Exactly.
Ufuma is not running a kingdom, but a kingdom.
I solemnly support you. And that is exactly what you're going to do.
Hold on, please. Let us not quarrel over this. Let us face the facts. We have tradition and culture. The kingship can only move from the royal family to another family in the event that there is no royal blood in that family, in that royal family, to take over the throne. Otherwise, the kingship remains in the royal family. And in this case, do not forget, our Igwe has two healthy, adult, female children. Two grown-up daughters. What are we talking about?
Never, Erika. Never. Never. A woman that's quiet to urinate will never and can never ascend the throne of Ofuma.
And our ancestors can never be naive. It is not possible. They cannot. It is not possible. How can you say that a woman that uses her left hand to clean her anus to be a king in Ufuma kingdom? It is not done.
It's okay.
Go and shave your overgrown mustache.
It's okay.
You are talking rubbish.
It is still
It's rubbish.
Let us wait until Dikeh has done his last ofala. Then we look at this issue properly. For now, please, let me talk my rubbish.
Erika, this is not reasonable. We are here to discuss our business. Please let us concentrate.
You see, I have always known you had no home training. Look at you. I have seen your true color. You're a witch. The daughter of the devil, that's what you are.
A witch that you fell in love with years ago. Were you not madly in love with me, not oiling me more before that bigger witch came into the picture?
Me?
Yes.
Jason?
Yes.
Jason fell in love with you. Me? Are you crazy? Have you gone stark raving mad? Can't you see the difference between us? You must be out of your mind.
Jason, you can call me all the evil names in this world. I don't care. The only thing I know is that I am not leaving this car without you. You have to come and drive me to where you are going to.
That's fine. You see this car? Stay in it. It's a beautiful car. Remain there. Don't come out. I'm sure your poor father could not afford it. Bitch.
Chukwuemeka, so you have the guts to insult my father? Pico, come and drive me. If you know wherever you're going to, come and drive me in this car to that place. I am going with you. Chukwuemeka, don't just keep quiet. Come and drive me.
Don't ever touch me.
If I don't touch you, who will I touch? Are you not my husband?
Listen, don't touch me again. Take off your hands.
I will touch you. Come and drive me to the place you are going to.
Look at your behavior. Can you imagine how you're acting? Like a typical village girl.
Sir, you loved. And we still love.
Me.
Whether you like it or not, you will love me.
Love you.
Yes.
You are mad. You have gone mad. You're crazy. You are on drugs. Look at you. Are you blind? Can't you see? Am I in your class? Am I in your level? No, I am not.
like, talk whatever you want to talk.
Stay away from me.
Come and take me to where you are going to.
Just look at you. When would you learn to mind your business in this palace? Esther. Hi. As long as you should mind your own business, we should be you leaving this royal home entirely. Nonsense.
Good day, Mama.
What are you doing here?
Mama, it's me, your princess.
We know who you are. What are you doing here? Is the question.
Answer!
I came to look for Jason. Is he at home?
Jason is my husband. I don't know if he told you that. Oh! So you now have the guts to bring in your shameless affair into my home? Almighty Princess Sochi, leave my husband alone!
You heard my daughter-in-law loud and clear. Leave them to enjoy their life. The only problem they are having now is you. Why don't you allow them to enjoy it?
Jason is married? To you?
Oh yes. He is married to me. And very soon, I will give birth to his son.
Ah, bouncing baby boy.
Jason never said this to me. He didn't tell me this.
How are you going?
He didn't tell me this. Fella Mechi. He didn't tell me this. Mama, let me go and fry the curry for you.
Let go and fry it. Eh? After frying it, that room of our Oh, I'm off here. Hamam Biakwan. Ah! I went to see Jason. Is this the kind of daughter-in-law I'm going to have? What?
What are you still doing with this man?
Mom, he's not just a man. His name is Somadina. And is there a problem?
Oh, you can't see? You can't see any problem? Now listen, this thing is already a problem personified. A bloody civil servant earning a minimum wage salary. And you say there's no problem. He is a problem already.
Mom, please, You are embarrassing my guest.
A guest, you said? How? People that wore this kind of trouser, handbag, an umbrella, roaming about. The smell doom. Now get out.
Oh, this is my guest. Friend, sit down. Now you get out.
Please! I said be gone! One more word. I will have your tongue chopped off. Get out! This minute! And never return! Idiot! And you? Because you kept calling a thing a man, that's why you could not find a perfect man for yourself. Choma! Come back here and sit down.
My daughter, mother, I call you here to ask you a very important question.
Which is?
What about Jason? Have you heard from him?
Mother, I can't believe you called me here to talk about Jason. Well, I wish not to talk about him.
Sochi, I want you to get married to Jason as soon as possible.
Mother, are you already tired of seeing me in my father's house?
There's a lot you need to know. I overheard the cabinet members' conversation a few minutes ago.
Oh, please. Mother, I don't think I want to be bogged with all these customary royal issues. Excuse me.
Hi. How are you? Is the princess home?
Yes, sir.
Alright, tell her Jason is here to see her.
Okay, sir.
Hurry up.
Wow! Look who we have here.
My queen.
Jason.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
When did you arrive?
A few moments ago.
And why are you standing here? Come inside.
Oh.
Come on, sit down.
My princess, someone is here to see you.
Jason?
Yes, my princess.
Tell him I don't want to see him.
Okay, my princess.
Tell him she's coming to see him.
Okay, my princess.
Mother! Sochi. What has come over you? What is this all about?
I don't just want to see Jason for now.
You will go there and see him. If there's any issue you want to discuss with him, do it over there.
Luchy. Guess who's here? Guess who's here? Come on.
Jason?
On point. And you know what? This is your chance. Remember what Ajana, my spiritual director, said. You must apply the ointment all over your body. And make sure you hug him. So, come on, get up. Let's utilize this chance. Come on. Come on. I'll be watching you. Don't fail. Hug him. Hug
him. No matter what you do in the dark, Messiah no ya potifena. Ife danyana.
Me Somadina, level 11 civil servant. If not that she is the queen of this land and my future mother-in-law, I would have given her peace of my mind today. Who does she think she is? Lolo Esther, that her story is everywhere? Or is it because we are keeping quiet? Can you imagine the insult? Chai Somadina, you have suffered though. No problem. I say no problem. One day all this nonsense will end. I know one day. And that day is here. All I want is Princess to say yes. Finish.
Mother, I don't get it. Jason hasn't even proposed to me. Or you want me to go and force me to get married to me? Oh, I get it. All of a sudden, Sochi is now constituting nuisance in this palace that you want to get me out of this place all of a sudden. That you want to get me out of your presence. You want to sell me out to go get married to someone else.
Sochi, since the demise of your father, my husband, your uncle has been the one seeing the affair of this kingdom. Because neither you nor Choma is ready to take over by marriage. Sochi, I want you to get married so that your husband will take over the throne for him. My daughter, don't you understand? I want us to grab what rightfully belongs to us.
Mother.
I want that throne more than anything. And you are the only person that will hand it over to me.
Mother!
Get Jason to marry you.
I don't get it, Mother.
You have to get Jason to marry you. Present the opportunity to him and I am sure he is going to grab it immediately. Maybe you should start by getting pregnant for him. Yes. Think about what we stand to lose if we lose that throne. Compare it to what we stand to gain if we are able to outsmart these people. Everlasting kingship for your children and your grandchildren. My daughter, think about it. Royalty runs in our vein, and we can't allow it slip off our hands like that.
Ezigbo nwa, negodi nne nne ya kpọrọ aka sie nwa mma nne eti. Mole, God will bless you for me. Oh, Nemo.
Are you done frying the garri?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything?
Everything, Mama.
So quick?
Yes.
Wait. You mean to tell me you have finished frying one bag of garri?
Yes, so
You see? You see why I always talk about you, Lego Dino? You are very hardworking and very helpful. Child, if not for you, who would have done all these house chores for me? You've cooked this delicious meal for me, cleaned the house, finished frying the garri. Is it that princess that has maids? Who hardly touch anything? Is she the one that would have done it for me? Finish frying the garri and let her go to Ahiorie to sell it. She can't do it. God will bless you for me.
Amen.
God will bless you for me. Ligodini, very thirsty.
Mama. I'm worried about Jason's reaction if the princess tells him what we said to her. He will be very angry at me.
That one. Now relax. Relax. Don't bother yourself about it. When we reach the bridge, we will know how to cross over it. Anyhow, at all, we must cross over. What I go? Have you eaten?
Yes, Mama.
It's okay. Go and freshen up so that you go to Ahiorie to sell the garri.
Okay, Mama.
Woma! Woma! My son must marry you. Look at how beautiful she is. I'm not going to just in Wama. We go to the nation.
How are you?
I'm good, Princess Shoma.
I want to apologize to you for my bad behavior the last time. I take responsibilities for my actions. And I am sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay, it's all in the past now. Yeah.
Okay. I was just apologizing to him for my bad behavior. My bad, actually. Please, my darling sister, forgive me. So, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Oh, nice.
Okay. I have to be on my way now. I have a date to my boyfriend, and I'm sure he'll be waiting for me. Yeah. Can I get a hug? I mean, once a friend, always a friend, right?
Yeah, sure. There's nothing in hugging. I mean, once a friend, always a friend. Have a good life.
Thank you. Okay.
Nice. Feels like I'm in New York. Hey. Why do I feel cold? Oh. Easy.
Brother, what are you doing?
Sister, what are you doing? Did I call you?
I should be asking you, what are you doing with your safe?
Did I call you? Come on, go inside.
Brother, I thought you were saving money for your PhD. Why are you breaking the safe?
Ikwi, Information Minister. Did I call you? Eh? Tell me when PhD program is commencing. Tell me now. Educator, educate me. Information Minister. Come on, go inside, idiot.
Brother, if I am not mistaken, so you want to empty this safe because of that stupid princess? You want to empty the safe because of her? You want to gather all this money to go and give it to her, isn't it? I feel that you are taking this relationship too far. You are taking it too far, brother.
Really?
Yes.
Go on. Come on, sit down. Educate me.
Brother. What I am saying is that this your ship is about to sink.
Okay.
And when it sinks, you wouldn't have mouth to talk about it. Trauma is not good for you.
Okay.
She's not good for you. I can't.
Useless here. Useless here.
I thought you are listening now.
Here. I know your plans. I know your plans, Mama. Come on, go inside. Anuman. Pama. Ochako Maka. Your mates are in their husband's house. You are here. He's here. I know your plans, Mama. Let me catch you here again. Come on, go inside also. Anuman. You want my relationship to fail? You know the ship that I am sailing, that you're going to sink. My own relationship. Are you mad? I cover my relationship with blood of Jesus. Mad people. Instead of you to look for a man to ask for your hand in marriage, you are here talking about my relationship. Every time, okay, imagine a relationship. Let me catch you here again. Mad girl. Inyala. I will be the one to choose what I will do with the money. I'm idiot. If I like, I throw the money away. It's nobody's business. I am the one saving the money, not you.
Take that from you. I am not going to take that. Listen, I won't take such insinuations from you.
You have to talk to me.
No. I won't take such insinuations from you. I don't care. You can believe whatever you like. I don't give a shit.
Jason, all I'm asking from you is a simple explanation. Stop blowing things out of proportion. Why are you acting like a madman?
What?
Yes.
Did you just call me mad? Did you just call me mad?
Explain to me.
You need to learn some manners.
Jason, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Jason. Sorry.
Obviously, you need to learn some manners.
Jason, please, I'm sorry. Please.
You know, it's quite unfortunate that you allow your emotions becloud your sense of reasoning. You know that?
What wrong have I done now?
By having something to do with a madman. That's what you have done wrong.
Jason.
Chukwemeka, welcome.
Chukwemeka.
What could be the problem?
Mama, the problem is me. It is very obvious that the problem is me. He doesn't like seeing me. Eh? I don't understand.
You have to calm down. Eh? Calm down. He must come to his senses. I am the mother. He must do what I asked him to do. Eh?
Mama, I don't know why he suddenly changed. This is someone I was dating before he traveled. He used to love me. Okay, look at the beautiful car he bought. For once, I have not entered into it. The boot, abanubem. Bonnet, anodubem. Nothing. He doesn't even give me anything. Apart from the gift he gave me when he returned. Chicken.
Asam, you see this car? Eh? You will not only enter inside it, you must drive it. You will drive it. You will be the driver. You must drive it one day. You will carry me to the market. So you have to calm down.
Mama, wait. Are you sure the princess did not tell him what we told her?
Uncle, honestly, I wasn't expecting your visit. So to what do I owe this August visit?
Don't bother yourself. I came to see you because there's something very important I want us to discuss.
Alright, I'm all ears.
Peak!
You see, this project is worth 500 million. And all we want you to do is to hide the file. Leave the rest to me. I will take it off from there.
Uncle, you know I appreciate you so much. This job I'm doing now, you're the one that got the job for me. I owe you a lot. But what you are asking me to do is quite difficult for me. Please, I can't do it.
So mad now. What is difficult about what I'm saying? Since I gave you this job, have I asked you for anything? So I asked you for this simple favor and you want to refuse me?
Uncle, what you are asking me for is not simple. You are actually asking me to help you embezzle public fund. Uncle, I can't do it. I can't betray my company. No, not for any amount.
I see that you don't want to grow. You don't want to be more than this. You now have a stunted growth. What is wrong with you? Let me tell you, your share is 100 million naira in a week. If you do that your job for 100 years, you cannot get 100 million naira.
Even if my share is 1 billion, yes, I can't betray my company for any amount.
Listen, I brought you to that office so that it can be useful to me when I need it. And you cannot afford to disappoint me. Think about it. 100 million naira in a week.
For any amount, no. Not for 1 billion. Even though I know I need money, yes. I have so many things to do with money. But I can't betray the government. No, not for any amount. No, I can't.
Foolish! Foolish!
Rebecca, this why you are in our house today. What is it?
That your son is a fool. After everything I did for that boy, I went extra mile to get him that job. I regret, in fact, I regret everything I've ever done for that boy.
Brother, please. I am very, very sorry for my son's misbehavior. Please, what did he do? What happened?
Can you believe I offered that boy an opportunity of a lifetime? An opportunity many people will die to get. 100 million naira in 1 week.
Wait. 100 million, you say?
Yes. 100 million naira, and that boy had the guts to turn me down. Money that just came as an awoof. But no problem. He would definitely regret this decision he took today. And by the time he will realize himself, he will understand the true meaning of, had I known he's a brother to Mr. Too late.
Suchi is okay. There is nothing to worry about yet.
See, when should I start getting worried, Mother? Can't you see the handwriting written on the wall? Joma has always been envious of me. She has practically wanted everything that belongs to me. This time, I will not let her take my man from me. Mother, go and warn Joma.
It's okay. Please calm down, my daughter. What is yours is yours. Nobody will take whatever that belongs to you.
Mother,
your man is your man. Nobody will collect your man from you, not even Joma.
I'm not going to stand there to listen to this.
Please calm down. Sochi, calm. Sochi, calm down. Sochi.
Samadina! Hey! Samadina!
Mama,
yes,
what is it now? Why are you shouting my name?
Now, please, call your uncle. Call him now!
What
please.
for? He just left here a few minutes ago.
Hey, Samadina, what has come over you? Eh? Is that government job your papa job? Is it your father's work? Eh? Why do you want to die inside, Richard? Eh? What will you gain?
Well, what he is asking me to do is impossible. In fact, impossible. I can't betray the government for any amount. I have my reputation to protect.
Oh, Samadina. He is offering you 100 million. Eh? And you are here saying rubbish in just 1 week. Oh. Who can do that for you?
Mom, I can't do that even under duress. I can't do it for 1 billion.
Okay.
Yes, I can do it.
Eh?
I can't betray the government. I have my reputation to protect. Hey. What will people say about me? What of tomorrow? Are you talking about tomorrow? Are you thinking of tomorrow? What will people say about me, Mama? I have my reputation to protect. Yes, what is at stake is my reputation. Mama, I can't betray the government for any amount, even if it's 1 billion. Yes.
Hey,
I said go and do it for him. Oh, as for me, my hand, my leg.
I should go and do it for him.
Yes, oh.
Hey! What you bring on here? Eh? Someone dinner! Get go! Eh? Someone? Get go!
Very, very typical of.
Where are you coming from?
Are you talking to me? No, am I the one you're asking that question? Do you realize I am the princess of this kingdom?
Babe, who's this guy?
Don't worry, baby. I can handle it.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
You called him baby. Baby.
Now you listen to me. Have I not told you not to show your face in this palace without any invitation? Have I not?
I am sorry about that. But who is this baby and what is the baby doing?
What sort of stupid question is that? My friend, go home. I'll talk to you later.
Alright, I brought something for you. This is 152,300. I've been saving it for you. Please take it and buy anything you need. But why not take the baby to the motherless baby's home?
Get out!
Take him to the mother now. Take the baby to the mother.
My friend, get out! Sorry about that, baby.
Who was that?
He's a financial secretary. Old Students Association. Primary school, though.
Oh, I see. He actually reminds me of my math teacher.
He's not far from that.
Right.
Because back then he used to also come in front of the class to teach.
Wow. Looks like a best couple. Such a beautiful time I have with you.
Same here.
And I don't mind having that time with you. Right.
We can always have it.
You see, I was going to tell you something about
Boyfriend snatcher. I don't know why your recalcitrance has degenerated into making everything possible in taking my man.
I think you need to put your emotions together because you are overreacting.
Overreacting?
Yes.
I saw my man all over another woman, treating her uncompromisingly like his girlfriend. And all you tell me is I am overreacting.
Yes, you are.
Really? Yeah. Love is overreacting.
What are you doing?
Be careful.
Hey, listen, guys. Guys,
Chama.
listen. Wait. Hey.
Go
Wait. Guys.
You need to go with me.
Oh, listen.
Chama.
Wait. You guys.
Chama.
You're trying to hurt
Careful.
me. Hey.
Chama.
Wait.
Chama,
Hey.
Chama, leave me alone. Be careful. He's mine.
Hey.
Mama, what did I do to Jason? What wrong did I do to Jason and Choma? Why would they treat me this way?
You underestimated Choma and her mother. That's the only wrong. It's okay, my daughter. If Jason is for you, definitely he will come back.
Never. Never, mother. I will not let Choma get away with this. I'll fight for what belongs to me.
You will do no such thing. You are a princess, a royalty. You should live as one. Besides, no one is worth fighting for. My dear, let's go to the dining.
I have been meaning to tell you this. I know it sounds crazy, but I'll still tell you. Life is all about love. And love is the true meaning of life. Choma, since you came into my life has never remained the same. For that reason, I have a surprise for you. Will you marry me?
Yes.
Right.
I love you, baby. This is so beautiful.
You like it?
I love it. You too. You know what, baby? We're definitely going to fix a date to come and wrap this up. Grand engagement.
Anything you want, babe.
Oh, baby, you are so sweet.
Sochi? Sochi, Mampam. Sochi, what is the problem? Why are you crying? My princess, talk to me. Talk to your mother. What's going on? Why are you crying? Sochi? Sochi, Mampam. What is the problem? Talk to your mother, please. Talk to your mother. Yeah? Sochi? What is going on?
Oh! No matter how the lizard fits, it can never grow into an alligator. You both are just occupying space here. I told you, very soon, not too long, I'll throw you both out of this palace. I told you.
One side. Sochi, is there any problem? Eh? I don't understand. What is going on? Talk to me. Sochi, Mampam. What is the matter? Sochi, talk to your mother. What's going on?
We are very happy with you. We are very, very happy with you. You have just shown us that indeed we have an illustrious son in Ufuma Kingdom. We are proud of you.
Thank you.
We are proud of you.
Thank you. Ono, I must express my appreciation towards this kind and warm reception you're giving me. However, I intend to support the late Igwe's last ofala with the sum of 20 million naira.